What is up guys, welcome to another Equator Zero video. Today we have with us the Skullcandy's Smoking Buds 2 wireless earphones, which is not a new product as it was launched 1.5 to 2 years back, but it is still sold quite well. So without any further ado, let's jump straight into unboxing and review. Looking at box, it has Skullcandy branding and some features on the front side. Flipping over the box, it has some information about the earphones and the MRP tag, which shows an MRP of 5,300 Indian rupees. But don't consider the MRP as these are sold at around 3,800 on Amazon India. Opening the box, we can see the earphones placed securely in plastic mold. Opening it, there is a micro USB cable to charge these, some documentation stuff, and one pair extra silicone earbuds. First look at the earphones, I would say they look old-fashioned in terms of design, but as these earphones were launched 2 years ago, we can't really complain. The materials used are of premium quality, which separates this from budget earphones. This is a neck piece which is removable. We'll show you how to remove later in this video. The earpiece is the standard in-ear type earpiece and the buds are soft too. There is a small housing which holds 3 buttons: power on off, volume up and volume down. The charging port is situated on the neck piece and there is an LED on the top side. Now let us see how to separate the neckband from earphone. The trick is to start from one side of earphone and remove the cable from the cable management points and the band will be separated. To connect with the earphones, you'll have to press and hold the main power button till the LED starts flashing red and blue, which indicates pairing mode. Once you pair your device with it, you won't have to do this step again. The earphones fit perfectly in the ear as the earpiece is oval shaped and angled, and due to this shape, it feels light in ear and can be used for longer period of time. Let us now talk about the performance and sound quality. Skullcandy has delivered many amazing products with great audio quality, and this is one of them too. The bass is great and high, treble is also at its sweet spot, but clarity is on low side in songs with heavy bass. But that's the case with every budget or mid-range earphones. The only issue I found with these are that at volume above 70 to 80%, the person sitting next to you can hear what you are listening, and that's not something I would want in a mid-range earphone. Bluetooth connectivity is great and it can work till 15 to 18 feet. And battery life is also great. I get around 6 to 7 hours at 70 to 80% volume. So in conclusion, if you want a great sounding premium Bluetooth earphone and don't mind it being a 2-year-old design, then this would be a great buy for you. Also, if you are looking for other earphone choices, check out the videos we've made in the past by clicking the I button. And also, we will drop links in the description below. That's it guys, hope you liked the video. If you did, then give this video a thumbs up. Do comment and share. Also, subscribe if you are new to this channel to get more quality tech content. And we will see you in the next one.